Hi, good morning. This is Deborah with Options Plus. I'm going to talk with you today a little bit about discount benefits, and we'll get started. So here's my contact info. Again, my name is Deborah Tucker. Here's my phone number. I am with Options Plus, and my email information is here. If you have any questions, want more information, please feel free to reach out to me. So we're going to talk about discount benefits and why you should offer your clients these types of benefits. So many people in the U.S. are without many of these much needed benefits, whether it's dental, vision, pet care, telemedicine. We actually offer about 20 different medical and lifestyle benefits. It's a great way for you to open doors to new prospects to sell your products, whether you're in the long-term care, life, med sup, Medicare Advantage, or annuities. It's a great way to re-engage your existing clients, offering them something new that's much needed and very affordable, and to help you differentiate your services from your competitors. And of course, we all love earning additional income. So the commissions on the products that Options Plus sells are 30% to brokers residual. So that's a nice way to make some extra money. So there's a couple different types of discount benefits that we offer. Dental is probably one of our most popular. Vision, telemedicine, pet care, hearing aids, pharmacy, which is great during the donut hole or when a medication is not on the formulary. That's a great way to save anywhere from 10 to 85% depending on the medication. Diabetic supply, diagnostics like MRI, CT, ultrasound, lab services, health advocacy, identity theft, and we have a couple fun different lifestyle benefits. One called Bonus Drive Advantage, where members can buy certain type of vehicles, Jeep, Chrysler, Dodge, Ram, Fiat, and Hyundai. And regardless of what they get at the dealership, they'll get a $500 reward direct from the manufacturer. So it's, again, a nice way to save some additional money. So again, we're going to talk about some of the more popular benefits that are in the discount medical sector. Again, primarily, we do a lot on the dental and vision side. So according to the U.S. Department of Human Services, there's 136 million people in the U.S. that do not have dental benefits. If you're in the Medicare side of things, that's a very large percentage. I believe about 60% includes seniors over the age of 65 that do not have dental or vision. There's $111 billion per year is spent in the U.S. on dental procedures and services. Again, I've had some clients, brokers contact me and say they've seen some outrageous bills. So my personal contractor who just did my kitchen had a bill of $29,000 for implants just this past summer. About 61% of the population, or 177 million people in the U.S., need some sort of vision correction, whether it's glasses, contacts, etc. 143 million adults wear prescription eyewear, and that's 64% of the adult population. And about 70% of the workforce requires vision correction. Based on these statistics, you can see that obviously dental and vision is in high demand, and offering a discounted benefit product is really a great way to keep costs down for your clients, but also to give them substantial savings. And I'll show you some examples of that coming up. Another benefit that's become very popular is the pet care. You know, there's 78 million dogs and 85.8 million cats are owned in the United States. So in 2016, $66.7 billion was spent on our pets, with $30 billion going specifically to vet care and medications. Note here, no property and casualty license is required to sell this product. As this is a discount product and not a non-insured benefit, you do not need a P&C license to sell this. Again, it's a great way to keep costs down for your clients. It's affordable, and it really will help provide some savings. And it's a hot benefit right now, especially in the workplace sector. It's being asked for a lot. Telemedicine is another one. We do a lot of that on the worksite side of things. So if you're in the group side, telemedicine is a great benefit. It really does help to redirect people to lower cost options, and also increases workplace productivity and reduces absenteeism. So obviously since 2016, we've seen a high jump in high deductible health plans. They've increased by about 225%, and they are continuing to rise. A typical doctor visit takes about 121 minutes with travel time, waiting, paperwork, and a face-to-face visit. It's a big part of the day for someone who's working. Employers offering telehealth services can redirect their employees to lower cost healthcare options and reduce their claims experience. I'm sure most of you already know this, but it's good to touch on. You know, what's the difference between discount dental and dental insurance? The main features of dental insurance include plan maximums, anywhere from 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, etc. And again, once those limits are reached, then it comes out of pocket. Benefit limitations such as no orthodontic coverage, certain exclusions. Some plans I've seen exclude implants, which can be really costly, anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 per implant. Dental insurance also comes with waiting periods, 6 to 12 months for major services, crowns, root canals, bridges, etc., especially on that individual market. Participation requirements for group business are definitely on the dental insurance side of things. So how do discount benefits differ on the dental side? Well, first and foremost, dental discount plans do not have plan maximums. They do not have waiting periods, and there are no participation requirements on the group side. In addition, all employees are eligible, whether you're part-time, full-time, seasonal, 1099, etc. So it's really a nice way to kind of offer benefits out on the group side to everybody. Savings is anywhere from 50% on routine dental. This particular example I'm giving you is through the Aetna Dental Access Discount Plan. We're also contracted with Humana, but we find that the Aetna has a nice, robust network, and I think the discounts are a little better. So the savings on that are about 50% on routine. That means x-rays, oral exams, cleanings, fillings, and savings of 30 to 40% on other dental procedures. And that includes implants, dentures, root canals, crowns, periodontics, orthodontics, and more are included on that. And again, because there are no plan maximums and no waiting periods, you can have a senior client join the plan today and be able to use the benefit tomorrow and save $500 on a root canal. First time, first visit, no waiting periods. And again, no plan maximums. So the Aetna Dental Access Discount Plan comes with 211,000 PPO dental providers nationwide. So it's a nice, robust network. The benefits, the discount benefits that we offer here at Options Plus are available in all states, except for Vermont, Washington, Kansas, and Utah. That's a DMPO regulation in those states and doesn't really have anything to do with Options Plus and our contracting. It's just the way the DMPO regulation works with those departments of insurance. So I'm going to show you a copy of the Aetna Dental Access Sample Fee Schedule. I think this is a great marketing piece to use with your clients. So specifically for this webinar today through Insurance WebEx, I made you your own website where you can go and get all kinds of information about the things we talked about today. So take a note here of this web address, optionsplusplan.com/insurance-webex. So you'll see here you've got, we'll go over this stuff later, but for this part here, I just want to show you the, click here for a copy of the Aetna Dental Access Sample Fee Schedule. This is actually the Aetna PPO fee schedule. So it's, the dentist's office are not really contracted with Options Plus. They're contracted through the Aetna PPO network, and they've opted in to be a participant in the Aetna Dental Access Discount Plan, where it's nice for them because the member just comes in and pays the discounted rate at the time of service, and the dentist waives the balance of what they would normally bill. So there's no billing for the dentist's office. It doesn't disrupt their cash flow, and they're already getting paid the Aetna PPO fee schedule. So you'll see here's a couple of examples. An oral exam, average cost is about $63. These averages were taken nationwide. On this plan, it would be $32, savings of about $31, 49% savings. I'm not going to go through all of them. I'll let you take a peek at this and just see, adult cleanings, you'll save about 45%. Here's a sample for a crown that's normally $1,189, $808. Member will save $381. What I like about this too is that the orthodontics is included on here, dentures are included, periodontal work, oral surgery, etc. Provider directory, I'll show you that too. You'll see here on this page that I made for you. You can just go ahead and click on the word dental and any of the plan options, and you'll see that there will be a provider directory. Where is it? Oh, there it is. And you can just go ahead and put in any zip code. I'm going to put in the zip code for Wayne, New Jersey, do a 15-mile radius search. There we go. And you'll see that there are a lot of providers to choose from. So this list here does include every type of specialist, whether it's oral surgery, general, pediatric, orthodontics, etc. I'm just going to scroll through this real quick so you can see that we're only a quarter of the way down and there's still a lot to choose from. So you can go ahead and hop on this, put in your zip codes, and see what types of providers are in the area. So here you see, and we're only at 5.3 miles. You can go ahead too and do an advanced search. You can put any type of specialist if you're just looking for, let's say, orthodontics in the same zip code, and you'll see that there are plenty within a 15-mile radius to choose from. Okay. All right. So again, here's another sample fee schedule you can look at. Talk a little bit about vision, discounts on glasses, lenses, exams, tints, UV coatings, and even LASIK and designer eyewear. So designer eyewear could even mean really nice sunglasses that don't have a prescription in them. I just bought a pair of high designer sunglasses by Burberry, and I saved 30%. Savings are 20 to 60% off. The coast-to-coast vision contract that we have uses big chains like Lens Crafters, Pearl Vision, JCPenney, Sears, Target, and there's thousands more providers nationwide, including small mom and pops. About 20,000 different providers, give or take. Again, like the dental discount plan, there are no plan maximums, no waiting periods, and no participation requirements on the group side. So again, if you're dealing with individuals, you're dealing with seniors, especially if you have families. My daughter has scratched and broken her glasses, lost them, so we're able to purchase multiple pairs of glasses without reaching the plan maximum. The pet care benefit, we're contracted through PetAssure. PetAssure offers a 25% discount on medical procedures. There's no claims to file. There are no pre-existing conditions, unlike pet insurance. There are no plan maximums and no waiting periods. It's affordable, and it does give additional savings for medication, pet supplies, including food, toys, grooming, and other services. So what are some of the savings on the medical side for this pet care product? Dental cleanings, dental exams and x-rays, spays, neuters, vaccines, diabetes, cancer care, hospital, sick visits, allergy, tumor, ultrasound, parasites. You can go ahead and look at this in more detail, but it is a really nice discounted benefit. And if you wanted to take a look at the pet director directory, you can just go ahead back up to that website. Oops. Give me 1 second, sorry. And you can go ahead and click on the pet care benefit, and you'll see there'll be a provider directory in there as well. This directory is continuing to grow. It's not huge, it's not robust, but it's getting there. So 15-mile radius search of my zip code. I'm very fortunate my vet is on here, which is the Wayne Hills Animal Hospital. I have 2 dogs, so you'll see this is a nice, decent size, respectable network. Okay. Telemedicine, again, it's in high demand. 71% of emergency department visits are unnecessary and really could be avoided. Members save time and money with 24/7 access to doctors by phone or online video consult. There's also a phone app. I've used that 7 times, probably in the last year and a couple months. You can call anytime, anywhere in the United States. We offer a $0 consult, a $15 consult, and a $40 consult. Pricing is respective depending on the consult and the fee that's selected. So members save on co-pays and deductibles. For me, personally, I was able to save. I'm on a high deductible plan of $10,000. I have a family of 4. I just used the Teladoc app. My daughter had some spots on the back of her throat and a sore throat. I took pictures on my phone, requested the Teladoc consult. Average callback time is 10 to 12 minutes. They called me back in about 8 minutes and 12 seconds. The doctor had access to the photos that I sent, and we were able to get a prescription for steroids to reduce the inflammation literally within minutes. So the doctors will offer you diagnosis, treatment options, and a prescription if necessary. All the physicians through Teladoc are board certified with a minimum of 15 years experience. Average callback time 10 to 12 minutes. And again, you can download videos or pictures for the doctors to review. I think this is a great benefit if you have senior clients or individual clients that are comfortable, whether on the computer or on a smartphone. It's really a great way for them to avoid having to go to the doctor if they're homebound. And again, telemedicine is for flu, asthma, cold, allergy, bronchitis, skin conditions, UTI, basic conditions. Obviously, you're not going to call Teladoc if you're having chest pain or you need your blood sugars at 300. But it is a great way to save aggravation and save time. So let's talk about some target markets. I think specifically senior market is fantastic. Before my career here at Options Plus, I was on the broker side for Humana selling Medicare Part D and Medicare Advantage plans. I wish I had had this product available to me back then. This program is not subject to AEP, so you can sell this at any time throughout the year. Dental and vision typically are not available on Medicare supplement plans and very limited on Medicare Advantage plans. Brokers have the option to discuss this at their Medicare appointments. There's no need to schedule a follow-up appointment because this is a discount non-insured product. Spouses are included at no additional charge, and it's affordable monthly cost with substantial savings. All of our plans that we offer here at Options Plus our single and family rates are the same. So what I usually say to brokers is, tell them, hey, it's $12 a month for this plan. Oh, and by the way, your family members are free. If they're single, they'll appreciate that because they don't want to have to pay more or think that they're paying more for a family when they're just a single. Target markets also include small, medium, and large employers. If you're on the employer side, this is an ideal benefit on the retail and service industries. Employee population is lower to middle income, generally do not have good or any health benefits. We also have a MEC product as well that goes along, a MEC discount product that works well with existing MEC plans. Again, it's available to full-time, part-time, per diem. This can be paid by employers. We can do a payroll deduction, or we can do a direct bill to the employee's bank or credit card. And that also is the same on the individual side. We can just do a direct bill. And that could be credit, debit, bank draft through savings or checking. Benefits on the employer side are portable. There's no price change if the employees leave. It's a great way to fill in the gaps in existing coverage. Great way for your employee to increase their benefit package at a limited to no cost. There are no participation requirements, and the benefits, there are multiple benefits offered on one card through one company. So that makes it nice and easy for HR, dealing with having to call up and ask questions. It's one phone number, one company. Just a side note here, discount benefits are often bundled. So it's not where you can just go ahead and get the pet care product by itself. You'll have to really bundle that with some other products, and I'll show you some of the plans that we have available when we're done. Associations and affinity groups, we do a lot nationwide with associations. If you do any work on the association side, this is a really great way to bring value to the membership. It doesn't have to cost the association anything. It can be done completely voluntary. And again, we can do direct bill right to the members, checking, savings, etc. So that makes it a nice way. In addition, on this association side, we can offer a commission back to the association to help them drive non-dues revenue. So if you have any association clients, just go ahead and give me a call and we can discuss how that works. Individual clients, especially if you're working on the annuity, the life side, working with families or seniors, I think this is a great benefit package that you can offer, saving them money on orthodontic for their children or dentures if they're a senior, root canals, implants, etc. And it'll fill in the gaps of existing coverage, especially on the Medicare side, and also on the individual side if you have a family that, maybe they have dental benefits provided through their employer, but it's very limited in what it covers. Their children might need orthodontics. They can keep that plan and go ahead and get this one for their orthodontic benefit. We have a bunch of different packages that are already ready available, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel and go shopping on our benefits page, and we'll show you what those are here. And again, that's on this Insurance WebEx page that we created for you. And I'll show you what those are here. So a couple different options. You've got a basic plan, which is the dental through Aetna and the vision through Coast to Coast, and that's $10 per month. Again, no waiting periods and no plan maximum. There's a senior saver plan that's dental, vision, hearing, pharmacy, and durable medical equipment. Again, the pharmacy works great when they're in the donut hole or if they are on a medication that's not on their formulary that they have to wait until next AEP. There's a senior saver plan here that also includes pet care. So it's the same as the senior saver above, just with the addition of pet care. You've got the family saver plus teledoc. I think this is really nice for families and also on the group side. You've got the dental, the vision. The pharmacy is not really needed, but it's kind of a freebie, so we just throw it in. Nice discount on the vitamins. You can go ahead and click on these at your leisure. The vitamin discount is great. It's health food products, vitamins, supplements, food supplies for gluten-free, especially those with celiac disease that can get really expensive, and some other cleaning products and things that are natural. Medical Bill Saver, Health Advocate, and Nurse Plan are all part of the Health Advocate program. Health Advocate is a great way to help save time, especially if you're taking care of a loved one, someone who's not well. I had a great aunt who was never married, never had any children, and I really had to not only sell her home, but I had to get all of her information in order. She had fallen and had a brain bleed. I really could have used their help in locating a nursing home. I could have used their help in scheduling second opinions, transferring medical records, and also helping me with any of the claims that came back on some claim issues that we had. That's a great benefit. Good time saver, especially. Pet care is included on here, and then the teledoc with a $0 copay. We didn't add the teledoc onto the senior plan only because we find that seniors, especially right now, aren't super savvy on the technology side, but if you did have a group, we can certainly help you with that. And lastly, we have a lifestyle benefit that does not include dental and vision. Sometimes, you just don't need it. So there's pet care, there's a legal benefit, that's a nice discounted legal. That includes a whole bunch of things like simple living will, help with custody, divorce, bankruptcy, etc. The vitamin discount, doctors online, which again, you can click on all these, works very well with reaching out to doctors, pharmacists, dentists, or you can email them, ask them your questions and get some direction. Do I need to go to an urgent care? Is there something topical or over the counter I can use for this skin rash, etc. Counseling service is very similar to an AT. And then that bonus drive advantage I told you about earlier to save $500 when you lease or buy specific vehicles, Chrysler, Dodge, Ram, Jeep, Fiat, and Hyundai. So I'm just going to go back to PowerPoint. So sales strategies, most of our successful brokers really offer to their clients, explaining that it's value added. It'll really help with any existing benefits they already have on the group side. It'll help enhance, obviously, what they have from the Medicare side. Again, the dental network is through Aetna, lots of providers. And if you're on the group side, the way I look at it is they don't have to pay for it if they don't want to, and you can just go ahead and offer it. And if there's 100 employees and only 5 people want it, that's fine. You can go ahead and put a plan together, put a group together, because there are no participation requirements. We create custom broker landing pages. So once you've sold 2 cases with us, and we don't care if it's individual or if it's on the group side, we'll create you your own custom landing page, which is a great way for you to direct your clients to just go ahead and enroll right online. I'll show you a sample of what that looks like. And you'll see here, this is a sample one of our brokers. He uses this a lot. He'll actually put the link on his website, and you can just go ahead and direct your clients here. Benefits are here. He's created a bunch of different plans, and you'll see here that they can go in and select what it is that they want, and click the select button, and that'll take them to a secure member portal where they can go ahead and enroll. You do not need a signature in order to sell this, which is nice on the Medicare side. You can even consult with your Medicare clients over the phone, and you can go ahead and enter all this information yourself right from your computer screen. And all commissions are tracked right through here for your specific landing page. Dependents or spouses are considered a dependent, so you would just go ahead and select one, put in the member name. If it's a family and they have multiple children, you would just go ahead and put the children's name in. There is an additional charge for each card after the first 2, which is only $1, but 8-year-olds do not need their own card. 18-year-olds away in college in Texas, yeah, they would need a card. You'll click continue and then just go ahead to the next field, which will give you more information to enter, like address and banking information and credit card. Okay. So if you want information about creating custom plans for any groups or associations, you can go ahead and review our benefit offerings at optionsplusplan.com/benefits. I'll show you that real quick as well while we're on here. Sorry, technical difficulties. And you'll see here's our benefits page. And these are all the benefits that we have to offer. So you can take your time and go through these. Some of these are lifestyle, some of them are medical, some geared towards individual and Medicare, and some geared more specifically for lifestyle. And again, that's at optionsplusplan.com/benefits. So now I'm just going to take you through this process here real quick. So you'll see that you've got the plans that we selected for you. If you like other plans, just let us know. And you'll have a copy of the Aetna fee schedule here. If you have group, you just go ahead and click on the group application. It's very simple. Fill that out. If it's employer paid, you're just going to send us a copy of the census. There's a sample right here for you. If it's payroll deduction, there's a payroll deduction app. And if it's direct bill, which is really an individual, you can use this paper application. Finally, you're going to email all this information to me, Deborah at optionsplusplan.com, and we'll process the membership for you. If you're not appointed with us already, you're going to need to click on these two links, which is the MRA agreement and the W-9. Again, commissions are at 30%. If you click on this, it'll show you we use a third-party vendor that helps us with all of our compliance, not only on the state side, but also helps with our commission. So you're just going to go ahead and follow the prompts here, and that'll give you the information to follow along to fill it out. And then be sure to do the W-9 as well. If you don't remember the website to look at the list of medical benefits and lifestyle benefits I just showed you, you can click on it here. And we have some additional plan options as well that aren't included on this page. And lastly, you've got marketing materials for each one of the plans above. You'll have some nice marketing materials that you can go ahead and use and give to your clients. Here's a sample of the Senior Saver one. Just kind of a quick explanation. They get dental, they get vision, hearing, and a nice little explanation on average of what the savings would be. And you can just go ahead and print this out and use it. My recommendation is that you definitely use a copy of that Aetna sample fee schedule, because that's a great way to demonstrate the savings that they'll get. I think that's it. If you have any other questions, feel free to call me. Again, my number is 877-783-0235. I'll put that up here one last time, and that's my information. So we look forward to working with you. We hope this webinar has been beneficial and can help you and your clients. Have a great day.